we saved the best for last. We're looking at basically 4,000 square feet. It's a ranch home, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3-bay garage, covered front porch, extended patio as well, and there's a great study room as well, which is a bonus. So wait till the end of the video and you're gonna see the bonus that we're gonna show you as well. Let's go ahead and take a look. So when you come into this home, you have a nice entry to the dining room area immediately. So if you look over there, that will lead you to the butler's pantry as well as the master bedroom as well. On the other side of this, you have your office, and that right there, that is the bonus. That you will see at the end, and believe me, it's going to be worth the wait. So here you can have your office, a nice, decent size for you. You can set it up with the shelving, as you've probably seen in the other videos as well. And you have a nice half bath. So if you have clientele coming over, for them to use the bathroom is not going to be too difficult. Here, now, I'm going to count to 3 and be ready to look at this kitchen. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I warned you. Let's take a look. For those of you who love kitchens, look at this island. Don't look at anything else. Just look at this island itself. Look at the grand size of it compared to everything else. If you are a person that loves having parties, that loves cooking, if you have a YouTube show, this island was built for you. Dual layers, look at this step layer, very nicely done. This has to be at least 20 feet. This is 2 pieces, as you can see with the seam right there. Farmer sink, nicely done with, well, I like the way they have the mechanics here. But look at this, this is beautiful. This size alone. So this is a 4,000 square foot home. As you can see, it was basically built around this island table. The rest of the kitchen is nice, but when you compare it to the island, it basically, everything was built around this island. This whole home was basically built for this island that you can enjoy. If you're not into kitchens, I don't expect you to understand, but you'll still be able to enjoy it as well. So here's the pantry area. Decent sized pantry. You can have it customized. And you have your dining and living area, or you can configure it however you want. I do like the way those cabinets are built. And you have your sliding doors for your indoor-outdoor living. That is a nice pool that they have out there with the flowing water. Too bad we can't open these so we can hear what the sound is coming through all the time. But the way this is set up is very nice. I commend the way these builders did this. Now that I've widened the angle of the lens, you can go ahead and see it a little bit more. You have a nice little workstation over here as well. If you have children, they can do their homeworks there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other bedrooms real quick. So here's one secondary bedroom with Jack and Jill shared bathroom. As you can see, the sink set up here, full bath. We'll go into the other bedroom. So this bedroom, what's nice about it, aside that you have full view of the outside, that it has its own full bathroom, which is a nice touch to it. Here's the closet associated with that bedroom. And then if you want to, you can put additional shelving right here as well. Since here is the dooring for the floor, what would be for the room. So let's go ahead and look at the master itself. But before that, let's go over and look at the adjoining room, adjoining hallway. So here's your butler's pantry. So it has direct connection to the kitchen itself and to the dining room. This also leads into the laundry room. Nice size, has the countertop, deep sink, and also this door right here leads directly into the master bedroom. Now some people might not like this. Reason being is because that removes shelf space. You can always have this removed and sealed up as an option, but for the most part, if you do like this, it's already set up for you, you don't have to worry about it. And then here we go with the master bath. Once again, these shower rooms are more like mini cathedrals. Here, this one has a tub built into it as well, and very nicely designed rainfall shower heads. This one, as you can see, does not have a makeup station. You do have a little refrigerator over here, and here is your closet. So we go this way. There is the living room and kitchen area. So there's two entryways to this, aside from the laundry room. And from here is your master bedroom. Very decent size. You have your sliding doors leading out to the pool area, which was nicely designed as well. Have your little waterfall running at night, help you fall asleep. So let's go ahead now and look at the bonus. For those of you that want to take a look at the island again, very nicely done, beautifully done. Okay, so we're gonna go to that room. Remember, this was the office, and then we had the half bath. Now we're gonna go into the den, the second suite dens. So here, let me back up a little bit. Here's your front door, right there. Here's the entryway inside the house. Then we have another locked door from the outside, which this can be locked. And now here's the suite, the den suite. Here you have a nice little living area. You have your, could be a wet bar area with a little refrigerator, and then a separate bedroom as well. This is a very nice touch to this 4,000 square foot home, full-size bath. So if you had elderly parents living here, this would work perfectly for them. You have a full-size closet, which you can customize with shelving to add touches to it. But this was very nicely done. You have more than enough space here in the living area for you to move around. We have elderly parents living here. This works perfectly. If you have a college children, they can come in and go as they please without disturbing the rest of the occupants of the home when they're visiting or living, now thanks to COVID. But what do you think of this room? Do you think this is really a nice add-on? Let us know in the comments below. We really want to hear what you think. So that's going to do it for this tour. We did 3 tours of each one of the different models. If you have any questions about these models, we're more than happy to share with you the information. If you're interested in buying any of these models, let us know. We will put you in touch with an agent in the area, one that will take care of you. And I'd like to thank you for joining us and watching our videos. We hope you come and see our other videos as well. See you on the next one. Bye.